Hey, are you having problems walking up the stairs? Do you find it hard sitting on the toilet? Does it hurt every time someone touches you after your workout? If so, watch this video. What's going on, Mixonites? I'm Nathan Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how not to be sore after your workouts. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and also turn on your push notifications so you can join the squad. Let me give you the breakdown. And speaking of breakdown, that's what's going on with your muscles every time you work out. So before you start rushing yourself to the hospital, just know that your body is breaking down the muscles to make room for bigger, stronger muscles. That soreness you feel right here in your triceps, maybe your chest or your legs, that's your body repairing itself. Now the pain, it kind of varies from person to person, and it actually peaks around 48 to 72 hours. So if you're going to have an intense workout, make sure you plan it accordingly so your weekend's not ruined by leg day. Now that's just an average range. Some people, depending on their hydration and also their genetic code, may get the pain a little bit more sooner than others. To alleviate that pain, I'm going to give you 5 tips to keep your body ready for action and less sore for your next workout. Some like it California hot and some like it Chicago cold. Now, if you're torn between the two, consider these options. If your muscles are tight and you want to release some tension, it might be ideal for you to hit the sauna up or maybe in a hot tub to kind of loosen your muscles up. If your body is kind of swelling up and you want to reduce that swelling, maybe cool it off with an ice pack. Or actually go outside if you're in Chicago. Me personally, I love going into the sauna after a great workout. It actually cools me down and also detoxifies my body. So when I get in that shower, I feel extra clean. The next thing you do is stretch. Your body's going to feel extremely tight after a good workout, no matter how much lotion you use to moisturize your situation. Stretching is one of the best ways to release tension. Now you want to practice this on a regular, that way you can get to know your body and prevent overstretching. If you want a good stretching video, make sure you click here or maybe here, whichever side this video is going to be on. The next thing you do is work out. And when I say workout, I mean something light and very steady, something that's going to cause like little to no resistance. I know that couch seems comfy and I know that bed looks so good, but you're actually doing yourself a disservice if you go in there and relaxing too much. You want that blood flow to be circulating throughout your body. The more mobile you are on your off days, the faster you're going to recover on your on days. If you have problems picking a workout, maybe go for a brisk walk or even try some yoga for that matter. And lastly, another tip you can utilize is putting protein on your menu. Our bodies, it can do a lot of things, but it cannot produce protein. So in order to maintain the muscle and build muscle, we had to consume it. Another great thing about protein is that it aids in recovery. I definitely understand that we are all very unique out there, and then we come in different shapes and they come in different sizes. So the protein that we consume may be varying from person to person. In that case, I like to use a 3/4 rule. That means if you weigh maybe 100 pounds, you want to get at least 75 grams of protein in your gut every single day, especially if you have a lot of intense workouts throughout your week. Now, once you go out there and try these tips, you can come back to my channel and work out with me every single day. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, turn on your push notifications so you can join the notification squad, and also like the video and also leave a comment too if you have something that you want to add to this video. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.